Hey guys! As you all know, the FIFA World Cup started a few days ago, and channels like Offside Blueprint are taking advantage to make a lot of money for themselves. As you can see here, the first video they uploaded was 3 weeks ago, and their most popular video has gotten over 500,000 views. Now, the channel has a total of almost 5,000 subscribers, and they have posted 23 videos so far. The reason why they have been able to post this amount of videos in this short period of time is that their videos are not that long. As you can see here, we have 3 minutes, 4 minutes, max. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys exactly how you can create a channel like this, step by step, with AI. So grab a cup of coffee, and let's jump into the step-by-step tutorial, okay? So the first thing you need to do is make sure you click on the link to the Google Doc file you see in the video description below. It's going to bring you to this Google Doc file, where I have all the master prompts you need to create this video. The first thing you need to do is to click on the first prompt here, which is going to help you analyze the FIFA World Cup and all the matches they have played, major surprises, and big stories that people are talking about. So this prompt is going to help you generate 10 video ideas that are similar to this channel that we are modeling from. Copy this prompt and head back to ChatGPT. The first thing you need to do is click on the plus icon and add your screenshot of that channel. The next thing is to paste the prompt. You copy it from the Google Doc file and then just click on Generate, give the AI some time. Then it's going to analyze the FIFA World Cup so far, but here is where I want you to focus. So just scroll down to where you see 10 video ideas similar to this channel, right? Just go through them and pick the one that you are interested in. The next thing you need to do now is to go back to the Google Doc file and click on the next prompt, which is your storytelling prompt, the prompt you're going to use to write your script. Now, what you just need to do is come down to where you see topic/idea here and basically just paste your idea/your video title here. And then the next thing you need to do now is to copy the entire prompt just like this. Right, so what we need to do now is go back to ChatGPT and basically just paste it here, and you don't need to do any other thing. Just click on Generate, and ChatGPT is going to start writing you a very engaging script regarding the title. Alright, so what you just need to do now is copy the entire script and then paste it somewhere that is going to be safe. Alright, it's time for us to generate our visuals, and we still need to go back to the Google Doc file and just click on the next prompt here, and then you're going to see your sticky figure spot explainer image generator. So what you just need to do is I made it simple for you guys. Just come down to where you see script. It means you should paste your script here. So for explanation purposes, I only added this small script so we can all understand, and the video is not going to be too long. So once you paste your script there, the next thing you need to do, of course, is to copy the entire prompt, and then go back to ChatGPT and paste the prompt here and click on Generate. Immediately, you're going to have your visuals for each scene of that script. Very simple. Now, we need to convert this prompt into image, and we are going to be using Clippy AI is one of my favorite AI generators. All you need to do is create an account, and the link is going to be on the pinned comment below. So once you log into Clippy AI, the first thing I want you to do is make sure you click on this toggle sidebar here, and then once you do that, the next thing you want to do is come down to AI Playground, click on it, and make sure you select Image Generator here. It's going to bring you to this page where you are going to be able to use Nano Banana, any AI model of your choice. Now what you just need to do is click on Select Model here and go through the models provided here. You can see we have different models. For me, I'm going to be using Nano Banana Pro because it's the best, and then come down to the aspect ratio. We want to change this to 16:9 because we are making this video for YouTube, of course. And then for the resolution, you can go with 4MP, but it's going to cost you 33 credits. So I prefer going with 2MP because the quality is still very good, alright? So once you've done all this, the next thing you need to do is just go back to ChatGPT and copy the first scene, one prompt here, come back to Clippy AI, paste it here, and basically just click on Generate, and it's going to generate for you your image just like this. To generate the second scene, we need to go back to ChatGPT and scroll down to Scene 2 here, and then just come down to the AI image generator prompt here and copy the entire thing. Then come back to Clippy AI. You just have to paste the prompt. You don't need to make any changes. If you don't need to once, it's going to be saved. So once you've added your prompt, just click on Generate again, and then your second image is going to start generating. As you can see, the images are looking very nice, exactly how we want them. The next thing we can do is to convert these images into animation. And to do that, we can still do it here. All you need to do is come to the video here and change it, alright? So now, the next thing is to come down to Select Model and choose your preferred model. For me, I like going to Seedance 2.0 because it's the best in my opinion. Then make sure you change text to video to image to video, okay? So once you've done that, the aspect ratio can be in 16:9. And then the resolution is also very good on 180p, but it's going to consume more credits. Next, let's talk about the duration. The cool thing about Clippy AI is that you can create 15-second long clips, which is awesome. Now, the next thing you need to do is click on the plus icon here to add one of the images you've generated. And once you have the image, the next thing you need to do is paste your prompt here. And then you can now click on Generate. So this is the exact step you can use to create your images and also your videos. The next step is to put the video together, and I'm going to be using CapCut. You can use any editing software of your choice. The first thing you need to do is drag your voiceover and all the images and video into CapCut, is drag the voiceover into the timeline, and then properly arrange it. Then the next thing you want to do is to start adding the images one after the other and make sure you follow the voiceover so the images can visually tell the story and make it engaging for people to watch till the end. Once you're done with that, you can add some effects and click on Export. Alright? So if you watch this video to the end, you know exactly how to create a football explainer video. Thank you guys for watching, and if you want to try out Clippy AI, the link is going to be in the pinned comment below. See you guys in the next video. Peace.